Let's see how to create a perfect portfolio in just a few minutes using Portfolyio.com. First, head over to Portfolyio.com and click Get Started. Make sure to sign up and subscribe to a plan that suits you. Personally, I recommend choosing the yearly plan. It's the best value, gives you a verified badge as a plus point, and lets you save a significant amount while enjoying full access for the entire year. Once you've signed up, head to your dashboard. From here, click Create a new portfolio. Now you're inside your portfolio builder. First, let's look at the themes. These define the overall look and feel of your portfolio. You can easily switch between pre-made themes to find the style that best represents you. Next, you'll notice two layout options available right now. But don't worry, more layouts and themes are on the way. For now, I'll start with the default layout. Click here to upload your profile picture. Next, edit your headline. For example, architect, 3D artist, or graphic designer. Select your country and enter your email. Let's set up your social links. Click on a platform like Twitter, paste your link, and save it. You can add, remove, or edit these anytime. Then, move on to your About section. This is where you introduce yourself. Write your name and a short intro to let visitors know who you are. In the Tools section, list the top 3 software you use. For example, SketchUp, D5 Render, or Photoshop. You can also rate your proficiency using the star scale to show how confident you are with each tool. List your top 4 skills and rate your proficiency level as a percentage. Focus on skills that make you stand out. Now let's move to the Projects section. Click Create New Content, give it a title, and upload your image thumbnail. This will also act as your project's first image. You can add as many blocks as you want, insert titles, descriptions, extra images, or even rearrange sections by moving them up or down. You can also delete any sections you don't need. Once you're done, click Create Project. Let me quickly upload a few more projects to save your time. You can also create multiple tabs to organize your projects, making it easier for clients to navigate and find what they need. And don't worry, you can edit or delete any tabs anytime you want. At the top, you can preview how your portfolio will look before publishing. Your progress is saved automatically, so you'll never lose your work. Once you are done with projects, you can track your portfolio progress on Portfolio Completion panel over here. For example, it might show how many projects you've added and how many are left to complete your portfolio. Want to switch layouts or themes later? No problem. All your data stays intact. Now, let's protect your work. Go to the watermark section. Start by writing your name or anything you want to display, then choose a font style. We offer a variety of stylish fonts to make your watermark stand out. You can also add your logo if you have one. Adjust the transparency and place the watermark wherever you like on your images. Once everything looks perfect, click Publish. Your portfolio is now live. You can view, edit, or share your portfolio later in the dashboard. Your portfolio will be automatically added to the community page, where other creators can see your work. If you're on the yearly plan, you'll also receive a verified badge highlighting your professional status within the community. And that's it. You've just created a stunning professional portfolio in minutes with Portfolyio.com. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.